What's going on, people? So we're back again with another video. Today we're making dasheen pop. Okay, so today we're making a nice dasheen pop or dasheen porridge. First thing we're gonna do is peel up the dasheen. In that video when we make the porridge, everybody they saying I have to cook the milk. Where I'm from, we normally don't cook the milk. I'm from Nicaragua. We make the porridge with the just with the raw milk. Somebody say when do your belly bad and thing, but well, I guess we don't use to it and thing, do we know? But I give it a try with the cooked milk, see what happens. Like a breadfruit porridge with the cooked milk. And for now, you have to wash up the dasheen. Make sure the dasheen is clean up. Yeah. Okay, so now we add a little bit of cinnamon stick. You make that boil up there before you put in the dasheen. Boil up there a little bit. When you put in the dasheen, make that boil up, then we blend it up. So we add 1 pinch of salt, not too much, huh? That way we water boiling, we put in the dasheen. No water. So we can see if the dasheen are ready. So you see this one stick here, that's meaning already yet. See how that come up? See, that's not ready yet. So you leave it more, make it boil a little more. And leave this, make it cool off, and then we can blend it up. You know how that goes. So this is the water we boil up this the dasheen in. We can use the same water for blend it with the coconut milk. We take out the cinnamon stick them, and then we can use it. So we got the water we boil the dasheen in. We use some of this water. We have a little bit of dasheen at one time, and then you put some of the coconut cream. And this one we're not boiling milk. This is start over. Because I'm not on again, eh? Not how much, you know, you have a little bit of the spice. Vanilla. Just 3 little tap of vanilla. Yep. Blend that up a little more. Add the sugar to taste. delicious. Try. Okay, this is what I put about now for tape picture. I don't want too much of it. Tape in it, yes, you know. So that you cutting out that stuff that thing. It is like bread group. Yeah.
Delicious, brother. Come on, man.
I need to take a picture of the thumbnail.
Dashing down the thing them now.
I need a thumbnail picture after I need it. I give you delicious. I give you delicious. Come on.